Number 73, Child's Play. We are going on with our G natural, that low 2 on that E string. Our key signature is in G major, so please play that scale ahead of time. But we do have an accidental. So an accidental is where they throw in an extra sharp or an extra flat somewhere in the piece, and it changes that note just for that measure. And as soon as that bar line comes, it cancels it out and goes back to the key signature. So it's just for that one note. It's in that third line, second to last measure, that C sharp. And that's the only time that C is going to be sharp in the entire piece. And then it's going to go back to our C natural for every other time. So we talked about G major. It is 4/4, so 4 beats in a measure. We have a retardando at the end. We have dotted half notes and some eighth notes in there, so nothing too weird. Just watch out for those low 2s on the A and the E string. Let's pluck through it. 1, 2, ready, go. G, G, F, E, D, 2, 3, 4. G, G, F, G, A, 2, 3, 4. G, G, F, E, D, C, natural, B, S, C, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, D, B, G, B, D, G, 2, E, F, G, F, D. That's going to be an E, fourth finger, E, C sharp, D, 2, 3. E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4. G, G, F, E, D, 2, 3, 4. G, G, F, G, A, 2, 3, 4. G, G, F, E, D, C, B, rest. C, C, B, A, G. All right, let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, lift. 2, 3, lift. Lift. 1, 2, 3. 2, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a couple of really fast lifts, and they're not just on the rests themselves, but after this dotted half note, 2, 3, lift. And then we also have it in the fourth line, second measure, where we're doing D, C, B. And so I would prefer that you lift, I think, instead of doing 2 down. To get you more into it, because it's Child's Play. It's supposed to be playful. So it's going to be a very short quarter note. 2, 3. And I'm just being really light. So try that a few times. And keep everything. Oh, the G major arpeggio. That's what I wanted to talk to you about. That third line, we have the pick up to the third line. We have a D, B, G, B, G. So I'm leaving that first finger down that entire time. So this is a great practice for you to do. Have that first finger on your B, and then tap that third finger on that A string, and then go over to your D string for that G. So D, B, G, B, D, B, G, B. So just going back and forth with that. And then our final note for that would be that G on the E string. I'm using that first finger still as a reference point. So I have everything in my ear and in my little map in my hand. And it all sounds wonderful.